Hello everyone, welcome to Lady Sranang. We are going to learn Sranantongo. First I will speak Sranantongo in the normal form with English translation, then I will say the sentence again but in the contracted form. In this form we usually speak. We use this in conversation. Like this video and make sure to watch until the end. Alright, let's start learning. Pe you e go. Pe you e go? Where are you going? Pe ye go. Pe ye go? Mi e go na skoro. Mi e go na skoro. I'm going to school. Me ga skoro. Me ga skoro. Mi lobby dansi. Mi lobby dansi. I love dancing. Mi lop dansi. Mi lop dansi. You wani taki nanga mi. You wani taki nanga mi? Do you want to talk with me? You want tak nanga mi. You want tak nanga mi? Tide mi o go na roko. Tide mi o go na roko. Today I'm going to work. Tide mo ga roko. Tide mo ga roko. Mi papa miti nanga a president. Mi papa miti nanga a president. My father met with the president. Mi papa meet nanga a president. Mi papa meet nanga a president. A heri grontapu. A heri grontapu. The whole world. A her grontapu. A her grontapu. A no mang fini in kosu. A no mang fini in kosu. She cannot find her sock. A no mang fin in kosu. A no mang fin in kosu. Deng dagu waka tapu a strati. Deng dagu waka tapu a strati. The dogs walk on the street. Deng dagu waka tap a strati. Deng dagu waka tap a strati. You abi wang buku. You abi wang buku. Do you have a book? You up wang buku. You up wang buku. Is de mi buy a brede disi? Is de mi buy a brede disi? Yesterday I bought this bread. Is de mi buy a brede dis? Is de mi buy a brede dis? Mi e go na oso. Mi e go na oso. I'm going home. Me ga oso. Me ga oso. You can yippie me. You can yippie me? Can you help me? You can yip me. You can yip me? Baka dati mi doro. Baka dati mi doro. After that I arrived. Baka dat mi doro. Baka dat mi doro. Mi e go buy one sunny. Me e go buy one sunny. I'm going to buy something. Me go buy one sun. Me go buy one sun. Is de mi miti mi basi? Is de mi miti mi basi? Yesterday I met with my boss. Is de mi meet mi basi? Is de mi meet mi basi? We wiki lati amanting disi. We wiki lati amanting disi. We woke up late this morning. We wiki lati amanting dis. We wiki lati amanting dis. You abi ing? You abi ing? Do you have it? You ab ing. You abing? Pe you de. Pe you de. Where are you? Pe de. Pe de. Suma you sabi ja. Suma you sabi ja. Who do you know here? Suma you sap ja. Suma you sap ja. Mi o gue. Mi o gue. I will leave. Mo gue. Mo gue. Mi lobby you. Mi lobby you. I love you. Mi lop you. Mi lop you. Yippie me. Yippie me. Help me. Yip me. Yip me. Omeni dagu you Abi. Omeni dagu you abi. How many dogs do you have? Ome dagu yabi. Omen dagu yabi. Alright, good job. Keep learning. Leave a comment below to tell us what you think of this video and click on this playlist to see more videos in English.